Alright, hey guys, today we're doing a video of my two-stroke 50cc engine. On this engine we've got this tiny fuel tank. I don't know how many litres it holds. I don't know how many RPM this engine is. There's the throttle cable. I had to kind of badly repair this because this spark plug here is new and this is an old World War II wire I had to weld on. I don't have a kill switch, so I have to switch it off from here. That's off. That's the petrol on. The carb doesn't have a filter, but there's the choke. There you go. This exhaust is going to get replaced, don't worry. You can see the terrible weld job. This exhaust will be replaced. And then here's the clutch. This is just fastened to a piece of wood. All I have to do to replace it is undo the two screws at the back, one there and one on the underside. Alright, now it's to start it up. I've got some easy start here. I recommend it, guys, go buy some, it's really good. Starts it quickly. Basically, you just spray some in the carb there. That's enough. Switch the petrol on. There you go. Switch the petrol off. So that's it started up. Obviously, as I said, this exhaust will be replaced. It's got really warm down here. See, it just works just fine. There we go, guys.